Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Friday, April 21st, 2023. It is 4:05 and 42 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, the mystery of the neutrino mass. So let's hop to it here. Random matrix theory approaches the mystery of the neutrino mass. Date April 6, 2023. Source: Osaka Metropolitan University. As scientists analyzed each element of the neutrino mass matrix belonging to leptons and showed theoretically that the intergenerational mixing of lepton flavors is large. Furthermore, by using the mathematics of random matrix theory, the research team was able to demonstrate as much as possible at this stage why the calculation of the square difference of the neutrino masses are in close agreement with the experimental results in the case of the seesaw model with the random direct Majoronic matrices. The results of this research are expected to contribute to the further development of particle theory research, which largely remains a mystery. As clarifying the properties of elementary particles leads to the exploration of the universe and ultimately to the grand theme of where we came from, beyond the remaining mysteries of the standard model, there is a whole new world of physics. After studying the neutrino mass anarchy and the Dirac neutrino seesaw double seesaw models, the researchers found that the anarchy approach requires that the measure of the matrix should obey the Gaussian distribution. Having considered several models of light neutrino mass where the matrix is composed of the product of several random matrices, the research team was able to prove, as best they could at this stage, why the calculation of the square difference of the neutrino masses are closest with the experimental results in the case of the seesaw model with the random Dirac and Majorana matrices. In this study, they showed that the neutrino mass hierarchy can be mathematically explained using random matrix theory. However, this proof is not mathematically complete and is expected to be rigorously proven as a random matrix theory continues to develop. In the future, they will continue with their challenge of elucidating the three-generation copy structure of elementary particles, the essential nature of which is still completely unknown, both theoretically and experimentally. And this is the Professor of Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research, and this video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.